guys. That was one of the biggest channels messages I've received in a long time. And what they've shown me it's connected to is, of course, we're healing from the Three of Swords with the Rebel. Our connection to Aquarius, the golden age, is this is what we're using. And we've discussed he's broken free from the change. And this has to do with boundaries. Where do you need to establish better boundaries? This is how we're continuing to do this and continue to build this patterning. And this is going to allow us protection. And it's going to allow us to keep what we're building safe. It's connected to the energy of the dolphin. So we're going to unleash our wildness and choose to be free. And we received this card partially in the new moon in Aquarius reading, but we got a reshuffle. And then when I was getting ready for this reading, it fell out when I was moving things. And what this is saying is that we're going to allow our instincts to naturally be a part of things. We know we're expanding the sixth sense. This is connected to those 13 spheres of knowledge, as well as this is honoring the need to be social with, wolf. She's connected to wolf spirit here. Wolves are very social creatures, but they also need time alone to recharge. We're going to restore balance. We're going to be in social settings. We're going to spend time with our communities doing all this building, but we're also going to honor the balance of time alone with the divine. And this is going to allow us to release soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. And they're showing me that this is what's happening right now. And we're to dance. We're going to dance and celebrate and shift our vibration because we've entered the age of light. We've been training for this for all of our lifetimes. We're learning how to take action with the light. And this is connected to the future reading where we've been talking about we're healing from force, and we're going to actually see some more things that we can do to help out the masculine. But the other thing we can do right now is to trust the feelings within. What is the niggling feeling trying to tell you? And this is connected to continuing to heal with our solar plexus and understand where our personal power comes from. Because if we continue to heal with our solar plexus, we're going to have third eye activations. Because this has to do with our chakras, those energy wheels, and allowing them to heal and to be moving up our being properly in order to see what we need to see. And that's why this future reading is key. I'm taking my time with it, guys, so please bear with me, because this has to do with where we get our personal power from. So much of our personal power comes from a substance, right? But this is not coming from that. This is not saying I'm gonna go have, I need to have something to eat to calm myself down, or I need to have my smoke to calm myself down, or I need to have my drink. I'm going to feed myself with the light. I'm going to seek discomfort. I'm going to feed myself with the light, because I'm healing from what is addictive for me, what is unhealthy patterning for me, because I need to see something. And we're also activating these higher vibe patterns for the building of New Earth. And this is going to allow some sort of transformation. We're going to find out what it is right now. Just right now. We're going there right now. We're going here. What is this connected to? What is happening here? What is it trying to tell us? What are we healing from? And I find it interesting. My side hurts right here, and this is where I've been healing, and she's holding right there. And we know, guys, we're connected. We're all connected. What does this mean? Distance and female. Ona, card represents female energy. It also represents the physical body of the inquirer. Look at that. The physical body of the inquirer. Guys, it's right here. And this is representing feminine energy such as compassion, stillness, vulnerability, remaining calm, and all things related to feminine energy. So we're going to do that here. And distance. This card. Guys, I'm going to try to pronounce this, so please bear with me. Hanshazashi Shozin is of the sacred Reiki healing symbols. This symbol is generally used for distance healing, imparting the means to connect to another over space and time, facilitating the healing needed to release karma. It can also represent resolving karmic issues, revealing past life connections, origins, going back to the Akashic records, the life records of each soul, and clarity of the mind. Right thinking. Guys, right thinking. Feminine. And what are we doing? Releasing soul patterns, contracts, and past lives. Keep your mind on the truth of any situation and the proper course of action. You will experience positive results for all involved. If you are unsure of what healing action to take in any given situation, rely on this in order to connect you to your higher consciousness and give you the correct answer. Guys, this means everything. You know, we're distance healing from the Two of Cups in order to come together. All this work we're doing for the collective. And I was called to have the energy oracle here to see what we're expanding with this. So let's find out what we're expanding. I feel so connected right now, guys. Hello, Spirit. I love it. At your service. At your service. I hope it's comforting to know there is a big universal butler who is working behind the scenes, taking care of the details, making sure every little thing is turning out exactly as planned. This butler is as loyal as Fido, as determined as Diana never gave up, and as trustworthy as your own beating heart. So can you let him carry the tray? Guys, we have to be open to this. And they showed me that the Empress was connected to a silver lining. This also means something. A silver lining. Where are we going? Let's find out what's being activated for Year of the Ox. What's being activated? Remember, they showed me harmony previously. Ooh, this card wants to make its presence known too. Okay, Spirit. Spirit's being activated. With Earth and Give. So these things are going to help us to create harmony. We're going to work with Spirit and the Earth, and we're going to give back. And that's going to allow us to create this harmony. And it's through our energy. And this is going to allow us forgiveness and joy. And we're going to create some magic. Guys, we're here right now today creating some magic. All right. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. We've been called to have a message here for Aquarius. This is my Aquarius deck. We're seeing through our illusions. And right now they're showing me it's connected to love. Love and growth through the earth. Love and growth and blossoming through the earth. It's connected to what we're reinvesting within the earth. That's what they're showing me. we're going to work with the moon now to expand. And look, now we have the Queen of Pentacles. So we're expanding with the feminine through the earth. And this is connected to the full moon in Virgo on the 28th. And the Fool, we're having a new beginning. This is where we're officially seeing we're having this new beginning. It becomes official right here. And it's because we've been working away with the Three of Pentacles in order to restore connection, to understand this connection. We're grounding this connection through the earth. The Cups are working with both feminine here. And the Priestess. Something's coming to light, and it has to do with death and transformation in order to create peace from the Five of Swords and move forth with love. And allow the masculine to blossom and expand. And I want you to see how the masculine is blossoming and expanding within this deck. There it is. We've come full circle to seeing through our illusions. There it is. Everything they just showed me. Now, no, we're healing from separateness in order to move forward. Quadruple confirmation. Guys, we're healing from separateness in order to move forward and restore balance through the earth. And there is the Queen of Wands. Now that's like quadruple confirmation on the Queen of Wands, which being activated with the Knight of Swords. So the Queen of Wands and the Knight of Swords are working together right now. Let's just confirm it. This deck is different. It's active. We're actively on the path here. So let's see what we're actively doing. We're actively healing from the Five of Cups or sorrows, because we know we're creating happiness from our sorrows, and we're turning the wheel. We're healing from separateness, and we're gonna be gifted from healing from our heartache. And we're gonna go home. All right. I swear, go to get a reshuffle and look what's here. This flipped over. The Three of Pentacles and the flippin' Eight of Wands, guys. With the Two. Okay. So we're spinning the wheel because we're working away on the new patterning. That's what's happening here. Look at all that new patterning we just created with our Three of Pentacles pals. Body, mind, soul, masculine, feminine, child, the heavens, the earth, through us. It's like we're healing from what's lower vibrational. So we're moving forward. With the Queen of Wands. Guys. And the Queen of Pentacles. With wish fulfillment. And it's happening because we've moved away from the Ten of Wands. We got new materials here. In this Ten of Wands, we're purchasing new materials in order to expand with. And we're expanding with the Six of Cups because we've restored innocence and all that work that we did. Purification of the cups. And we created peace. All right, guys, let's get a Kuan Yin Oracle. We're going to say goodbye until next time. Next time, we're going to be meeting up for these two readings we've been talking about. We'll start with the one where we're healing with action and solar plexus and helping the masculine here to expand. All right. Shining Lotus. Silver lining. There are times when it makes sense to be discreet until you find your inner strength, so that you feel empowered enough to share your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs without wavering, even in the face of a challenge. At other times, we're ready to take a risk and allow the inner lotus blossom of our true self to shine forth for all to behold. And this is what we've been doing. Remember, guys, we have been training for this our whole lives. Love, light, and healing energy sent your way to create and expand with today, guys. Happy Lunar New Year, Year of the Ox. Celebrate. And remember, wear red. Wear red today, guys.